Hello everyone, my name is Samuel William. Welcome to Any Dollars. Today's video I'm going to show you on how you can verify your Payoneer account. So the first step you need to do is to go to our Payoneer account here. You can see now. So I'm going to my Payoneer account here. You can see. Then you can see at the top here. Then I'm going to type Payoneer. You can see now. Payoneer. You can see just use the method that you can see Payoneer. Just type on that. You can see the first page here. You are going to tap on that. Then you are going to click on menu at the top here and you are going to log in to your account. So there's a video that is coming next on how you can create a working Payoneer account in Nigeria. So you can see already have an account. Then I'm going to click on sign in. You can see now sign in. And see, so I want to log into my Payoneer account. I'm just going to log in with my email or username and my password. You can see now I'm logging into my account now. You can see now I'm logging into my account. So I'm going to log in. You can see now that so for you to verify your account, you are going to come to this place and you are going to click your profile at the top here. You can see okay. I'm going to okay. You can see the menu icon. Then you are going to click on. You can see settings. You can see settings. Then you are going to click on for you to verify your account. Then you can see verification center. You are going to click on that. You can see. Then you can see my history. So national ID approved. So this is how you can verify your Payoneer account. And here is how you are going to, you can see open, no open, if they request for anything or maybe your address, your identity card, this is where you are going to provide this for them and you are going to upload it here. And once they verify this, your accounts will be approved once and for all on that. So this is how you can verify your Payoneer account in Nigeria. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Subscribe to Any Dollars. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.